to the
Now he
locker
shitted.
room like Forrest,
He,
like Forrest Gump. So I just ran. Uh,
if they, motherfucker try to say that shit now. The game, man, they show him. I know people don't pick that shit up. You got a hamstring, you holding your shit getting off. But then you running back to the locker room like shit, fuck this shit. I ain't gonna be in the rest of this game looking like shit. They
yeah,
finna slaughter me.
he couldn't
What?
get off the
You
field
and he
fast
gonna try to
enough.
put this other motherfucker in. Yeah, he thought I'm gonna pass this ass whooping to somebody else. That what he tried to do. That ass whooping was already your ass whooping. Don't try to hop in the game now trying to pass it off to somebody else. Your ass got slaughtered.
Yep.
Period. He got slaughtered. He tried to dish the ass whooping to somebody else and shit. I said, no, 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 no. Him. It was on him. Sorry ass. He sit up there doing all that. He tried to run and shit. We shut that running game down. They couldn't do shit.
Really?
What? See, they were trying to watch them old ass games and shit. I don't know if that was the 1990 games or something where you could run up the gut. You
Right?
shut that shit down. They can't try to run. Yeah, it was some
Really?
old ass shit they were watching.
Oh man.
Oh shit. Boy, say I'm ready to see him. I'm gonna try to find his ass because he better not pop on nobody else shit. Your ass is mine. I'm gonna find your ass.
He's gonna stay undercover for a
All
few
I gotta do is
days.
wait. It's okay. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna find him. I already know where he gonna be at. Wait the loco pop out. Yeah, I'm gonna find your ass. I'm gonna find your ass on loco shit. I'm gonna tell your ass how about them Cowboys. Go baby. Yours.
Oh.
You're not going nowhere, sir. Yeah, you yeah, y'all find that motherfucker fairy. You tell that motherfucker, man, y'all ass got whooped. That whole fourth quarter, y'all couldn't do shit. We lit up on y'all. And I'm gonna let y'all know that shit. Y'all watch that game. The Cowboy lit up on that. That was some bullshit on these teams. And y'all know that shit. That was some bullshit. I even told I said, we finna lit up now. We doing field goal, 50 yards, some kicker. Boom. And then look, this is what made it so crazy. We punt the shit. And the crowd got mad because they know we got a good ass kicker. And he could have kicked that bitch. We lit up. We punted to their punk ass. And everybody was mad. The whole crowd, man, the whole damn stadium was mad because we got a motherfucking kicker that can kick down there a 60, 70 kick. You hear me?
Right.
They were mad. So they let we let up on y'all. We let up. We could have kicked that bitch in there and got another point and another point. Man, we could kick half of the damn field. Stop playing. So your ass, you lucky. We supposed to dust your ass to down there 50 some. That supposed to be a 50 some score game. Bars. Your ass was looking. We let up. We let up. Everybody seen that game, they'll say, yeah, Cowboy lit up on that game. Period. We
Wow.
nearly, man, we started just running the ball. We weren't even worried about it. Man, we could have threw that bitch to Diggs or what? They were killing their ass. Killing them. Killing them, dusting them. Bars. We the best. They were looking so sad. I was so happy. Yeah. I told y'all, man, I don't talk shit until we play y'all. I've been telling motherfuckers that shit, and then we played his ass. Now your ass ain't nowhere to be found. He gonna make like he had an appointment. Bitch, you watching people. A matter of fact, damn, I forgot. I think Loco was just on live too. He might been on that motherfucker. Oh shit! Let me find that motherfucker. What's that one? Hey, y'all see that my kinfolk say? Y'all tell that motherfucker when I see his motherfucking ass, I'ma whoop his motherfucking ass. I'ma go burn him back on his ass. You hear me?
He's like the
Cause he
commander's.
hiding me.
He's like the commander's quarterback, just